Hey guys, Retro Badger here. Hope you're all well. Today we are going to take a look at the excellent New Orleans class. Measuring 340 meters in length, it is substantially smaller than the Galaxy class, which is 641 meters in length. The most famous New Orleans class is of course the USS Kyushu, which ultimately was destroyed at the Battle of Wolf 359. The New Orleans does have some similarities to the Galaxy class in the hull texturing and warp nacelles. It also features weapon pods which can fire photon torpedoes. Rather amusingly, these weapon pods are Stabilo highlighter pens. Today, we are going to be facing two Klingon Bird of Preys. Will the New Orleans be powerful enough? I think with the torpedo pods, this should pose a threat to the Bird of Preys. However, the Klingons are good at hit and run tactics, and of course, far more maneuverable. Let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. So we're going to start off in the Kyushu. Now, one other thing about this ship, at least the one in Bridge Commander, it actually has a small pulse cannon on the front and the aft. Now, I don't think that's actually canon. I'm sure there's a joke there. But it's a neat little feature. Maybe it's a test bed. As you can see, we can fire 6 photons at the same time, which is pretty impressive for highlighter pens, which I cannot unsee now. Those birds of prey are tough. So they've both cloaked. Come out wherever you are. Oh, there they are. There's one. And there's the other. Well, they are powerful. We're going to have to be really careful here. Rely on our many torpedo launchers. Ah, yes, look at that.
Has been disabled.
Oh dear. Are we losing maneuverability? Yep, we've been hit. Oh dear, the warp core. We're still in the game. How badly damaged are their sensors? Right, they're out of the fight for now, so let's focus on this guy. To be fair, it could be the Duras sisters. I don't know. Ooh.
Sir, we are draining their top shield.
Hey, that's a point. If I destroy this one, will it blow up the other one? Ooh, explosion. Nope. Our hull's down to 50%. Ooh! Ooh, that little pulse cannon came in handy there. So for some reason, my forward torpedoes didn't seem to fire then. Not sure why. Oh boy. Do it! Come on! Point blank range. Yes! Torpedoes are back! It's a really cool looking ship, the New Orleans class. After the Galaxy class, of course. It's my favourite ship from Wolf 359, without a doubt.
Target hull integrity at 50%.
Oh! I don't want to show them my forward section, obviously, because they'll take my torpedoes offline, but I need to fire those torpedoes. Here we go. Well done.
Sir, we are draining their top shield.
Come on, you can do it, Kyushu! Come on!
Target hull integrity at 25%.
Got him! Okay, let's try that the other way around. So the first thing I'm going to do is cloak. But they're out of range, so we're safe. For now. If I do that, then they're going to target the other bird of prey first, which is what I want. Ooh, they've already taken some damage. Decloak.
Sir, I'm going to hit. Their forward shield is ready.
Very interesting kit bash with New Orleans. Although, you know, the saucer is different to the Galaxies, just smaller. Oh gosh. The other bird of prey's left me. Haha. Right. The Starfleet shields are proving tricky. And they've cloaked, leaving us. So we're going to get targeted now, aren't we? So I can get under them. Wow. It can really take a lot of punishment, because I really didn't see that when we were in the New Orleans. I was struggling. But look at this. They can take a lot of punishment. I'm gonna have to try targeting something else. This is pretty well matched, to be honest. Why do I get the feeling I'm gonna lose here? Oh, disruptors. Hit them in the right place. Ooh. Nice.
Target hull integrity at 25%.
We've got strong shields. Well, not strong, but they're still there. Oh gosh, they took them out. So 6 photons collapsed the shield. That's interesting. I never knew that about this bird of prey. Now I do. Hey, there we go. I hope the other bird of prey cloaked. No. Well, that was a pretty close matchup, to be honest. I think overall, the Klingons had the edge there. Of course, there were 2 of them, which was a massive advantage as they could attack the ship from different sides. Overall, though, this is an impressive ship, and this shows the power of highlighter pens. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Bye for now.